out on a paddling trip. I'll go from here, Dokkum, to Beurdaert, Bartlehiem, to the famous crossing of the Elfstedentocht. I'll take a turn there, go to Altscherk. Just after Altscherk there's my first possible spot for camping. But when I have to sail up, when I'm there, I can easily sail on, because there's just one bridge. And I can go to the Ruttewiele. And there should be plenty of nice spots to sleep. Temperature over here. I have a temperature gauge over here, and it's saying that it's 2 degrees right now. But it's not looking too bad outside actually. It's very still. Wind against me and the current is against me, so it is I'm not going as fast as I would hope to do, but it's great weather actually. Beurdaert will be quite a slog with the current again against me, because it's very narrow, so the current speeds up in that area at 0.3 kilometers, and then I'm about to turn left. But it looks interesting, that cloud. I had a funny moment. I think I got cold because of the sailing, and my dry suit is wet on the outside, and I was just cold and I just wanted to go home. It is pretty cold actually. I turned the corner and suddenly I saw a city bus, which was rather weird. And I think I'll not go a lot further today. So my stop is 2 kilometers on, and I'll make camp there for the night. I just have the tent up. And it starts to rain. Well, actually, it is the hailstones that were forecast. It's like half rain, half hailstones. What's on the menu? Yum yum noodles. And I have some chocolate for desserts and coffee. Did not have a great night, and most of it was because I was scared of getting cold. It wasn't really cold, but it was a bit cold, and I had expected to be all toasty in my skin. But it turned out I added a fleece blanket I had. I pulled on my fleece suit that I had in my dry suit. I put on my fleece sweater extra, and that's over my warm underwear, and then still I was cold. So I had a space blanket that I put over the cockpit, and that sorted the problem. So I actually slept quite late in the end, 8:30. I was planning or expecting to be up by 6 or something, but at 8:30 I woke up and I thought, okay, let's go. And all night I was thinking, will I take the first bus? Shall I take a taxi home and then collect my canoe from here, or ask Bert to come and drive up? But I woke up and I thought, let's go. I'm making good speed towards home, and I'm thinking of a warm bath. I've got coffee, I've got licorice, So I'm looking forward to be in my bathtub again. So I just crossed this little bend over here, and the wind is gonna be there very soon. A bridge to cross, and the rest is all downwind sailing to Dokkum. So this is the day after. I dumped everything here in my hobby room. Here's the tarp that's drying out. It's more or less dry now. It's my space blanket. I'll throw it away. My sleeping bag. It felt wet, but it really wasn't. I'm drying out my mattress. Clothing, repair kits, my food, and I need to fill that back. My cook kit, my toiletries, a new space blanket. I hope not to use it too often. My warm underwear, my socks that I'll need to wash at some point. Extra fuel, kit, and more food.